So what's up you all guys, welcome back to my channel What Happens If. I am back with a new video that is too much demanding on my channel. So today topic is about spirituality. What happens if you achieve zero thought mind state? Means not a single thought in your mind. Let's check out the video till last to find out the answer. So let's start the video without wasting any single second. What when you are not thinking? Yes, I am talking about zero thought. Zero thought is that situation or a time when your mind is totally clear, means zero thought, no thinking, just clear. From whole world population that is 8 billion, there are only 5% of peoples that can do this. For example, monks. Is it right? So to find that, the scientists decided to perform experiment and they invite some monks for the experiment. Scientists give a room with 4 degrees Celsius to the monk and they also given a cold cloth on their bodies. Then monks start the meditation that will help to reach the 0 degree thought condition, mean no thought in their mind. After that, scientists are really shocking. The cloth become hot and start producing steam. Guys, this is the power of zero thought condition. Now you guys are thinking what are the difference between the meditation and zero thought, right? So friends, in meditation you try to stop the thoughts that come to your mind. Means you are try to calm your mind. But in zero thought condition you don't do anything. Means you not try to do something like in meditation. So in zero thought you are only there, your mind is there but not doing anything, not a single thought in your mind. So from here conclusion is that when you are doing meditation and you reach a state where your mind calmed fully and there are no thoughts in your mind, it is called as zero thought condition. Friends, the energy of mind, people believe this is miracle. Before 100 years ago, when there are no mobile phones, at that time when someone is talking about the mobile phones, then everyone says it is impossible, just impossible, right? But today it is normal for us, right? As some supernatural powers is normal, but you have to gain it once, then you will believe that it is normal. And I am pretty sure no one tells you about these things. Again, supernatural powers is that topic that is too much controversial. I am not forcing you or anyone to do meditation and go deeper and reach the zero state. But if you are a curious type of person and you have curiosity to find out the new topics and go deeper in every topic, no matter it's out of body like astral travel or supernatural things, then there is for you. So firstly, you don't ignore this fact because science perform too much experiment like this. Guys, just think, if monk can heat the cloth that is cold and place in 4 degrees Celsius room temperature, then what they cannot do? They do everything in life they want. And guys, I'll tell you, it is only a trailer. There are so many things that you will experience when you reach zero thought state. Like power of healing. That means a person with power of healing, he can easily heal anyone with the help of their mind power. Maybe you can also see this in many movies, the character heals itself and others by their mind. Number 2, telepathy. Friends, telepathy is a technique. By this technique, you will able to read the minds and their thoughts. And what about their feelings, right? So let's move to the number 3, that is body temperature control. You already watched in the video that experiment how monks can maintain their body temperature according to the condition with the help of their mind. So let's move to number 4. So number 4 is about suspension of gravity, means levitate themselves. You already watched in some movies, some persons is floating in air during the meditation, right? Means really it is floating in air by eliminate the gravity. I know you are thinking what I am saying, right? But friends, no one can understand the brain. Scientists are also confused about the power of zero thought. Maybe a question occurs in your mind that I am giving you that information about this zero state. Can I also do this? So answer is that personally I already go deeper in the meditation, and I am also on stairs and doing step by step. So friends, I am also on this way and doing step by step every day. That helps me to reach the state. I am between the state, you can say that. I want this you also experience this thing in your life, because in your life if you never experience this type of things, so in real you don't take any profit from your life, you just waste it. So now question is how to go in the zero thought state. So the answer is so much normal, that is just do meditation daily. Now you are saying that's mind never stop thinking, right? But during meditation a time also occur, you don't have to try to stop your mind from thinking, it's automatically get stopped and it's for whole life. So next time when you want to go in this state again, it is too much easy for you, and you can also do some works that is you think at that time that is impossible. So are you want that powers of zero thought? Comment down in the comment section. So that's for today video. Maybe you get that what happen if you achieve zero thought mind state. It's really a miracle, right? So today's shout out is for the tech revolution. So a big shout out to the tech revolution for the answer in my last video. So let's move to the today video question. So guys, in today video the question is that how much times in total video I use mind word. If you know the answer, then let me know in the comment section. If your answer is right, then you will win a shout out in next video. So that's for today video. I hope you like the video. If you like, then like, comment and share the video with your friends. So subscribe my channel What Happens If for more knowledgeable videos. So sayonara and signing off.